Ever feel tired even after a full night's sleep? The problem might not be how much sleep you're getting, it might be what you're doing while you're awake. Here are 5 sneaky things that quietly drain your energy, and how to fix them starting today. Every small choice you make, what to wear, what to eat, when to reply, uses up brain power. Your brain treats each decision like a tiny math problem. 1 or 2? No big deal. But dozens, all morning? You're running on fumes before real work even starts. Plan your outfit the night before. Batch your meals for the week. Write down your top 3 priorities before bed. When you automate the small stuff, you save energy for what truly matters. You check a message while in the middle of an email, then jump to a quick search, then answer a call. Each time your brain shifts gears, and every shift burns focus. It feels like multitasking, but really, it's micro-exhaustion. Do all your messaging at once. Block time for deep work. No interruptions. Protect your mental flow like it's sacred. Fewer switches. More energy for things that move your life forward. You know that one text you've been avoiding? Or the awkward thing you said last week? That emotional tension doesn't go away. It lingers, quietly, in the background, draining you. Write it down. Talk it out. Deal with it directly, even if it's uncomfortable. Sometimes clarity is more energizing than rest. Don't let unresolved emotions control your battery life. It sounds strange, but boredom is exhausting. When your day lacks novelty, your brain gets sluggish. You scroll more, engage less, and lose your spark. Try a new route to work. Listen to a new genre of music. Read something unexpected. Even changing your desktop wallpaper can wake your mind up. Variety isn't a luxury. It's a reset button for your brain. Stress, screens, and tight schedules make us breathe like we're on autopilot, fast and shallow. But shallow breaths mean less oxygen, and less oxygen makes you less energy. When it buzzes, pause and take 5 deep breaths. Feel your belly expand. Exhale slowly. It sounds simple, but it works. Oxygen fuels your brain. Breathe like your energy depends on it, because it does. It's how you protect your focus, how you respond to your emotions, how you breathe, plan, and recover. Small habits create massive impact. You've got this. See you in the next Life Pro Tips video.